As the popularity of the Glock 19 continues to grow among gun enthusiasts, it's important to remember that there are plenty of other high-quality firearms on the market. While the Glock 19 is certainly a reliable and functional choice, there are several guns that offer superior features, performance, and versatility. In this video, we'll take a look at 10 guns that are worth considering if you're looking for something that goes beyond the basic Glock 19. From cutting-edge technology to classic design, these guns are sure to impress even the most discerning shooters. Therefore, if you are ready to explore some exciting alternatives to your trusty and reliable Glock 19, then watch the entire video. SIG P320x Compact. The SIG P320x Compact is a small enough gun that it can be used for concealed carry or daily use. Think of this as the Glock 19 equivalent within the P320 lineup. This is where the SIG really starts to shine above the Glock and is trying to take the crown of best 9mm handgun. You can take the very same gun mentioned above in the full-size duty category and remove the fire control group and drop it into a SIG P320 compact frame with a barrel, and you've instantly got another gun with the same serial number. Like its bigger iteration, there is a multitude of grip modules that are available for the compact P320. SIG has demonstrated that they listen to their customers by deciding to upgrade the factory grip module for the X compact version. Many people will see this as a worthwhile improvement because such enhancements are typically added as aftermarket options. Shooting the SIG X Compact is pretty straightforward. Its 9mm chambering makes it a soft recoiler and follow-up shots are quick and accurate. Hiding the SIG X Compact is easy enough, but some may find the frame a little too thick for their liking. This is a common problem in this size firearm seen across most major manufacturers. FN 509. The FN 509 is a great choice, especially for left-handed people. These are reliable and packed with features you expect in a modern striker-fired pistol. This ideal combination of a 4-inch slide and barrel with a mid-size frame retains full-sized pistol performance in an easily concealed package. The improved controls aid in manipulation, while the improved texturing on the two included backstraps provides better recoil management. A flatter-face trigger allows for a more controllable trigger press and cleaner break. The slide is quickly racked and features combat-style sights and improved front and rear cocking serrations. This model has a black finish and 3-dot luminescent sights and comes with two 15-round magazines. This is a highly reliable pistol and has a very ergonomic design. Some people may find the grip texture too aggressive for them, but I would say it should be aggressive and that you will get used to it with time. Smith & Wesson M & P 2.0 Compact. The Smith & Wesson M & P 2.0 Compact is a favorite among concealed carry enthusiasts. And since Smith & Wesson revamped their trigger in 2022, it has become even more popular. The trigger of the M & P series was always a subject to much debate, and I for one fell on the side of dislike for their triggers. However, this is a personal choice and you may love it. Smith & Wesson has made many changes to its trigger along the way. The pistol uses a blackened stainless steel slide and is topped with white painted 3-dot sights. The barrel is 4-inch long and the pistol has an overall length of 7.3 inch. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds in 9mm Luger and 13 rounds in 40 Smith & Wesson. One of the main reasons that the M & P 2.0 Compact was so popular is the fact the gun feels great in your hand. Smith & Wesson put in a lot of R&D on the grip and its ergonomics, so it's no surprise that they could execute it well. With the built-in rail flashlights and lasers are optional accessories, and like with nearly every gun on this list, you can purchase aftermarket iron sights. Like the Glock, the M & P Compact has a number of holster manufacturers that support it, offering both inside the waistband carry as well as outside the waistband carry. Heckler Koch VP9. The Heckler Koch, or HK, VP9 is a 9mm handgun that's more on the bargain side of the HK lineup. The first thing you notice is its sleek lines and graceful appearance. You'll also notice the ridiculously ergonomic handle that feels great. There's a slight bulge on the handle, which is designed to squeeze inward, which cocks and readies the weapon to fire. The weapon cannot fire without this portion being squeezed into the grip. This results in a safe, ready-to-carry and ready-to-fire single-action handgun. Because of the squared shape of the Glock 19's frame, it may not conceal as well as the HK VP9 based on your clothing. Additionally, this firearm has a light, crisp, and short trigger pull, making it incredibly easy to shoot accurately. The VP9's barrel also features polygonal rifling and a hammer-forged, cold hammer-forged barrel, making it one of the most accurate firearms you can buy, making it an excellent rifle for anyone new to shooting. The VP9 also features a unique gas retardation system that significantly reduces the felt recoil when firing the gun, harkening back to the original HK that made HK famous, the P7. This also makes shooting with a fixed barrel more comfortable. Overall, it's a handgun that's tough to go wrong with and scores well with many fans, almost as much as the legendary P7. SIG P320x. Introduced in 2017, the SIG P365 quickly made waves in the EDC pistol market, spawning more subcompact models like the P365 Nitron or the slimmer, snag-free P365 SAS. It has a 12-round capacity in a single-stack frame that's slimmer and smaller than a Glock 43. SIG Sauer took their time to get the blueprint right, as the trigger went through a lot of redesigns before achieving a crisp, Glock-like trigger pull with a smooth journey. Despite the high capacity, it's a well-balanced combination of power and size. It's a popular concealed carry pistol, so you can find countless IWB holsters for it. What is special about the SIG P365XL is its factory sights. They are X-ray night sights that allow for quick, easily visible, and convenient target acquisition to the point where you have to think carefully about the red dot sights. SIG spent some time getting this one right, and they certainly have. The trigger on the 365 is excellent, making it a much better shooter than many in this size category. For anyone who has been on Team Glock for some time, this is one to check out. Both the SIG P365XL and the Glock 19 compact pistols are widely popular. Some even assume that the newly released P365XL is a more improvised compact pistol and the ideal alternative to the Glock 19. Colt Python. The Colt Python is a classic revolver produced by Colt's manufacturing company, a well-known firearms manufacturer based in the United States. It was first introduced in 1955 and was produced until 1999, when it was discontinued due to declining sales. The Colt Python was known for its high quality and craftsmanship, as well as its smooth trigger pull and excellent accuracy. It was chambered in 357 Magnum, which is a powerful cartridge that can also shoot 38 special rounds. The Python was popular among law enforcement officers, competitive shooters, and collectors due to its reputation for reliability and performance. In the decades since it was first introduced, the Colt Python has become a highly collectible firearm, with many enthusiasts seeking out vintage models. In 2021, Colt announced that it would bring back the Python as a limited edition release, with production expected to begin in 2022. Overall, the Colt Python is considered one of the best revolvers ever made and has a strong reputation among gun enthusiasts and collectors. This revolver is known for its smooth trigger pull and excellent accuracy. It is chambered in 357 Magnum and is considered one of the best revolvers ever made.